What is your name?
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. Luz Melinda Onceno.
Luz Viminda. How are you today, Luz Viminda?
I'm fine.
Great. What can you tell me about yourself? What can you tell me about your family? Do you have children? Are you married?
Yes, we have three children, all boys, and their age is 21, 19, and 13. And my husband is working in Saudi Arabia.
Okay. And your children are going to school, are working. What are they doing?
My eldest is finished already for 2 years course, and second one is we have working, and my youngest is high school already, and grade 8.
Okay. What
And
kind of
we have
work did you do? What kind of working experience do you have?
my experience, I'm working in Brunei year 2003 to 2005. So we're garment factory garment, ma'am. And then plus 2013, I working in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. But my salary is we have problem. I'm not finished my contract.
What kind of work did you do in these countries?
We have madam and sir, we have three three children. Three children.
So you are a
I
nanny?
take care of them. I take care of them, madam. I take
Okay.
care of them. Your children.
In which country you were a nanny?
In Saudi Arabia, madam. Riyadh.
For how many
Hello, ma'am.
years? How long?
Uh, we have experience, madam, in local here in Philippines. Very long, 4 years. But in Saudi, I'm not stay longer because we have salary problem, madam. Because
So
I
how
signed
long?
the
How long?
3 months already, madam. 3 months, 3 months. Because my salary is problem. My contra, I signed the salary is 400, but I go there 300 already US dollar.
Okay. So I want to know what kind of working experience do you have as a household worker?
How many? I rather, madam, what I
Working experience as a nanny and household worker. What kind?
I have experience because I have experience to take the
No.
because my sister, yes, madam.
Yes, I want to know what working experience you have as a nanny and as a housekeeper.
I we have experience, madam, na as a nanny in here local, but in Saudi 3 months 3 months only. But here in Philippines for almost 4 years.
Okay. Now tell me what kind of job are you looking for?
What kind of can madam, I cannot hear. What kind of what, madam?
What kind of job are you looking for?
A job. I as a nanny, madam.
You want to be a nanny.
Because we have experience, yes, madam.
Okay. For children, what age?
Uh, any kind because we have three children, ano, all boys. I experienced them to take care the girls, ano, in madam, ano, any age, I care of them.
Okay. And do you know how to cook?
Yes, madam.
What kind of food you know how to cook?
Ano, Philippine food. Philippine food. Adobo, chop suey, like that. Kasi in Saudi Arabia, I'm not cook. I'm not cook. I'm as a nanny or I'm a nanny. I'm not cook.
Okay.
But here in Philippines, I always cook for my children, but only Philippine food.
Why do you think you can be a good nanny?
Yes, madam.
Why do you think you can be a good nanny?
Because I like children, and my my children is very good to what's this was man. Because madam, I like to hunani kasi I like I like children, and I am very experienced na to take to take children, madam.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.